Hello, in this video I'll be showing you one of my homework problems. This is also from my math textbook. So we need to solve this triangle. That means that we need to find A, B, and alpha. And so the immediate thing that comes out to me is that we know the gamma and the C, which correspond to each other. So we can use the equation sine of 95 over 5 is equal to sine of alpha over A, or sine of 45 over B. Now, which one do you guys think will be more helpful? Well, it's the one where there's only one variable, so we can solve for it. So I would say sine of 45 degrees over B. At the end of the video, I'll prove this to you, so bear with me for a second, okay? First, just assume this is true, and we'll be able to finish the problem like this. So we need to solve for B, so I'm going to say B sine 95 is equal to 5 sine 45, which means that B is equal to sine 95 degrees, of course, over 5 sine 45 degrees. Now, what we do from there, oh look, it's my own, is we plug this into a calculator, and we should be able to solve for B. So we'll say 5 sine 95, here, this is a better angle, divided by, oh man, I messed up. It is, oh no, I messed up over here. Oh, this is really funny. If I edited my videos, this would be a good time to do it. If any of you guys know any good editing sites or stuff that's free, please tell me. Let me just go and double check my work now, because now I'm getting a little suspicious. And then I could say multiply by B and 5, and I divide and I get 5. Oh yeah, man, I really messed this up. This is also supposed to be 45 and that's supposed to be 95. I messed up the whole order. So it would be 5, and ignore that bell, I'm at school. That's also the reason for this change of scenery. Oh man, oof. It's hard to look at this through the calculator, you know. I'm just gonna hold the camera here and then I'm gonna just do this. I hope that the camera angle is good. I'm not looking at it, I'm looking at the actual calculator. Okay, so I did it, and we got V to equal, B is about 3.459. Okay, now we know B, and we can also find, first I'm going to circle this, and from here we can, or we don't even need to do that, we could have done this part first. We can find out what this angle is, because 180 is the three sides added up, which is 95 plus 45 plus alpha. That means that alpha is 180 minus 95 minus 40. What is me in the sevens? Wow, minus 45. So we get A is equal to 40 degrees. Sorry. A is equal to 40 degrees. That's also going to be part of the answer, because that's another term. And now, all we need to do is find this, and we could do the same method over here. So I'm going to say sine, hopefully I won't mess up this time. I'm just not going to put in the degrees, because it's just really obvious. Sine 40 over A sine 95 equal to B sine 40. A is equal to 5 sine 40 over sine 95. Now we go and plug that into the calculator. 5 sine, oh wait, first let me check my work. Always important to check work. 95 over 5, 40 over A, okay. And so then I multiply by there, and this is all. You could also just use a little trick, cross multiply. basically move that term over there and that term over there, and look, it's an x. So it's a cross multiply. It looks pretty good, you guys. I hope I got this right. Yeah, it looks good. 40. Oh, wow. 40 divided by sine of 95. Okay. Means that A is equal to 3.226. So we have solved for all the variables in here, and now I'm going to show you the proof to how I got this formula. I'm going to show you how I got, here, let me write out the formula for you. Give me a sec. Okay, sine of beta over b is equal to sine of gamma over c is equal to sine of alpha over a. Okay, so I'm going to prove that to you right now. This is a 2-step video. Oh, and it might just also be my longest video yet. Okay, so you can start it off with 2 different triangles. I'm just going to show you this one out of simplicity, but my book, just letting you know, shows both. This is h for height. This is beta. This will be gamma. And this will be alpha. This will be A, this will be B, and this will be C. Okay, so sine of gamma is equal to h over A. Okay, and we also have sine of alpha is h over C. Sine of alpha, that's not AR, that's alpha. Sine of alpha is also h over C. Okay? And you do a little bit of math. Over here, you multiply by the C. So you get h equals C sine alpha. And h equals, you multiply by the A sine gamma. Okay? You can use the transitive property or something to say A sine gamma is equal to C sine alpha. And from here you just divide by AC, so that A will cancel out over here. So it will be sine gamma over C is equal to, and over here the C's will cancel, so it would be sine alpha of A. And you could also work it out with a different angle